The cryptocurrency sector is a relatively complex economic industry with many different terminologies. It is critical to comprehend these terms because it prevents you from losing valuable assets or missing out on fantastic investing chances. This video will list important crypto terms. Let's go. 51% attack. One of the terms in crypto worth noting is 51% attack. Since blockchain is a decentralized distributed technology, if a group of people control more than 51% of the coin's mining power, they can gain the right to change the blockchain in their favor to steal a large amount of cryptocurrency. 51% attacks often occur in coins that use proof-of-work consensus. Airdrop. A campaign that distributes cryptocurrency to a group of people when they meet certain conditions. A lot of projects have released a large amount of valuable cryptocurrency through airdrop. ASIC. Specialized machines used to mine certain coins have no other effect. Because it is a specialized machine, it often has extremely high profit performance, but they are also quickly eliminated by more advanced generation ASIC machines. Address. Each cryptocurrency, if you want to receive it, must have a public address so that others can transfer money to you. The address in electronic money can be understood as a bank account number. All-time high and all-time low. The highest and lowest price in the history of a coin. This has historical significance as it shows where the coin is relative to its high and low points. Altcoins. Alternative cryptocurrencies. Means all non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. Even tokens still count as altcoins. Automated market maker, AMM. The system provides liquidity to exchanges, which is done automatically by liquidity providers through a decentralized exchange. Bull market and bear market. The market is trending upwards, while it is trending downwards. It is very easy for investors to make profits in a bull market, whereas it is very easy to lose in a bear market. Blockchain. Blockchain refers to the entire data block of a cryptocurrency that records all the transactions that have taken place and the cryptocurrency address, the user's private key, which is often called a distributed ledger. Blocks. In the blockchain, a block of data comprises transactions and is linked to other blocks. You can think of blocks as a railroad car that is connected to other train cars by a chain. A blockchain is made up of all blocks. Burn. Only a certain amount of a coin or token is removed from the supply permanently to reduce inflation, ensuring value for cryptocurrency holders. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. Candlesticks. Often called a candle in Vietnamese, it provides information on the price of a cryptocurrency over a specified period of time. Cryptocurrency. This is electronic money in English. It refers to currencies created by encrypting data for security. Note that cryptocurrency may or may not be decentralized, even without using blockchain technology can still be considered a cryptocurrency if the conditions are met. Coins and tokens. Coin is a cryptocurrency that owns its own blockchain, and a token depends on another coin's blockchain. However, some blockchains sync their coins as standard tokens for easy internal exchange. Cold wallet and hot wallet. Cold wallets are only wallets that are absolutely secure, disconnected from the private storage network so that no one can hack them. Whereas hot wallets are wallets that are connected to the network to meet the needs of transactions. DDoS attack. An attack by sending large amounts of meaningless or malicious data to cripple an exchange system for the purpose of destroying or stealing cryptocurrency. Distributed ledger. Only a small amount of data is held by different parties to ensure accuracy. Blockchain technology is a technology for creating distributed ledgers, but distributed ledgers are not necessarily created by blockchain. DeFi. Decentralized finance, only financial activities such as lending, raising capital, investing using smart contracts running on blockchain platforms such as Ethereum, EOS, DOT, NEO. Exchanges. Exchange. This is where traders buy, sell and exchange cryptocurrencies. There are two types of exchanges: centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Fiat currencies. Legal money. This is a currency created by the governments of countries such as VND, USD, Euro. This concept, which distinguishes it from electronic money and mutual exchange, must be the explanation for this. FOMO and FUD. These are two opposite terms. FOMO is the fear of ignoring profits when a coin is rapidly increasing in price, and FUD is the panic that the market is about to drop sharply. Fork, hard fork, and soft fork. Fork is a term that refers to changing the protocol or rules of a cryptocurrency that will have a big effect on that cryptocurrency. Hard forks are large forks that make the old blockchain incompatible with the new blockchain, required to split the blockchain chain if not agreed by all users, causing it to create a new cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic are hard fork currencies from Bitcoin and Ethereum in this fashion. Soft fork is compatible with old blockchains, so it will not split into new cryptocurrencies. Faucet. a system in which users are automatically rewarded with coins for completing particular activities, usually a way of distributing coins when a new project is launched. ICO, initial coin offering. Initial crypto sale opening. In the world of cryptocurrencies, this is a common method of raising funds, in which the project owner will sell a part of the cryptocurrency invented by them to make a profit with some popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, ETH, USDT. Investing in this form is quite risky because its risk is not guaranteed by anyone and is not recognized by law. Investors can completely be cheated of all invested capital. IEO, initial exchange offering. Similar to ICO, but it is linked with exchanges to ensure the success of the project because the project is sure to list their cryptocurrency on the exchange. IEOs have a significant impact on exchange reputation, hence they are frequently vetted, although not all IEO initiatives are effective and profitable. STO, security token offering. This is a type of fundraising that has been approved by the financial institutions or government in the area where the project is being developed. This is considered the most secure form of capital calling. IDO, initial DEX offering. The form of fundraising and listing cryptocurrencies in decentralized exchanges. Currently, IDO is the trend of fundraising this year due to its convenience. KYC, know your customer. This is the process of confirming client information in order to prevent criminals from laundering money. Usually KYC requires a citizen identification card or other cards with personal information, bank statements, facial recognition. KYC has a risk of losing personal data. You should KYC only on trustworthy exchanges. Market cap. The total capitalization of a cryptocurrency, calculated as the price of the coin multiplied by the number of coins. This is crucial information for coin evaluations. Circulating supply. The current supply in the market, the coin index of a cryptocurrency currently in the market. Max supply. The maximum number of coins that can be reached by a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, is 21 million total supply. The total number of coins that were created, including whether it was in circulation or not, minus the number of coins burned. Mining. Usually, some special machines are used to solve algorithms to validate transactions in order to receive cryptocurrency rewards. This is the mining of cryptocurrencies using the POW algorithm. Staking. Just lock an amount of cryptocurrency in the chain to ensure the operation of the blockchain, verify the transaction, and the staking will receive the cryptocurrency reward. This is the way of cryptocurrency mining using POS. To the moon. A phrase that indicates a coin will increase in value dramatically in the future, but in a positive, not temporary, price increase. POW, proof of work. Proof of work consensus algorithm, where miners have to prove they have decoded the algorithm in order to receive rewards. POS, proof of stake. A proof of stake consensus algorithm, where coin stakers must lock a certain amount of coins and provide the infrastructure to validate transactions in order to receive rewards. There are also many other consensus algorithms, but less popular. Private key. The private key, which is like a password to hold the investor's cryptocurrency, is usually 256 bits in length. ROI, return on investment. The ratio of profit to the initial sale price of that cryptocurrency. Although ROI has a broader meaning, in the field of cryptocurrency that is what it means. Short. Short sell a cryptocurrency, you will make a profit when that coin drops in price. Long. Buy a cryptocurrency short, you will make a profit when that coin increases in price. Genesis block. To generate the next block in the blockchain, use a primitive block. This is a special blockchain that has spiritual significance for every cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies that are placed in the Genesis block will never be able to be withdrawn. Hold and hodl. These are two terms that mean the same thing. It's just holding a coin for the long term regardless of market volatility. Halving. The number of coins issued in the new block has been halved. Bitcoin halving happens every 4 years. This is the big event in the crypto industry. Hash. Just a random looking string of characters that has been mixed by an algorithm that encrypts the original data so that no one can know the data without a private key. Every cryptocurrency's security is built on this foundation. Hashpower/Hashrate. A Bitcoin mining system's hash production capacity. This is a very important metric because it is directly proportional to the number of coins you can mine. Whale. Only investors with huge capital, usually from a few tens of millions to a few hundred million USD, have the ability to manipulate the market. White paper. The introductory text of a cryptocurrency provides project details as well as technical information about that cryptocurrency. It is not necessary that this document be called a white paper. This is the name initiated by Satoshi Nakamoto. So that is the end of our video. Hope you can now understand more about crypto terminologies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master for more useful videos.